wanna be with somebody, spending all of the night moonwalking, and with the view.
Good morning. I'm heading to work for a client and I'm about to make breakfast really fast. Then I'm gonna go to school for the whole day, so I've already prepped my meals. If you enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more, and let's get into it.
She could see her building. Try to tell her I know I feel it. Keep me floating, I'm on my back. Slow me down when I'm living fast. You make me wanna be with somebody, doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through the.
I'm literally just gonna eat this standing up and then head out the door and go to work.
All my friends think I'm with somebody, doing things that I usually don't.
Time for a back workout, and I'm just taking my pre-workout right now. This one. Just finished my clients and I am excited to work out. I'm just taking like a half a scoop because I just drank a coffee too. Cheers. This stuff tastes really good and I don't crash when I take it, so I highly recommend this pre-workout. And then I'll show you my outfit. Off-White top, Lulu leggings because all my laundry is dirty, and then blazers.
We used to have each other's playlists. No, used to be each other's best.
Just worked out back and did some cardio, and now I'm gonna go shower and then eat because I'm starving. It is 10 a.m. and I'm eating my beef and rice and vegetables before I go to school at 11. It's still cold. And this is so good because my cut hasn't been bad until like this week. I'm so hungry this week.
This time, but everything I see still reminds me of you. Bag of all your things.
This is my third coffee of the day and I just spilled it all over my desk, so I think that that's a sign to stop drinking coffee.
To each other, we belong together, me and you forever.
Two exciting things. I got a package and I went to Target, but my phone died while I was in class and I'm so tired and so hungry. But I got what I ordered, so I'm gonna show you what it is. I just got home and it's been such a long day. I woke up at 4:30 this morning and I haven't gotten back home until literally 7 p.m. From Target, I got 2 sugar-free creamers. One is Italian sweet cream and then the other one is chocolate caramel, and I wasn't sure which one I liked better, so I got both. You can only get these at Target. I can't find them at any other grocery store in the city. And then I got, oh boring, I just got some hand soap, bagel thins because I want to put my eggs on these in the morning, or like peanut butter or something like that. So I got some bagel thins, and then lastly I got just a little thing of PB2 because I didn't know that they had the little containers of this and I didn't want to get a big one before I moved. So this for like oats or whatever, maybe to put on the bagel thins for like a cutting food. So I ordered 2 things from the last Dark Sport drop. I love everything that they put out, so it's hard to not buy every single thing that they drop. But I'm gonna try these on, and I really liked the purple, I guess, this time. I guess purple is the thing. So I got this purple sports bra. I think it's so cute. And then I also got this sweatshirt. I got this like Batman purple sweatshirt. It looks really big. So I took the boob pads out and I feel like it fits a lot better now. And there's also a little clip to put together the straps in the back. I think it's really cute. Let's see how huge this is. Okay, pretty huge, but I have a feeling that I will wear it anyways. I do wish I'd gotten a small. I might keep it, might not. What do you guys think? It's like really big. It's like really big. So let's make food now because I'm starving. All right, so if you know me, then you know that I'm making oats right now because they keep me full and I need a filling meal right now.
You should see her building. Try to tell her I know I feel it. Keep me floating, I'm on my back. Slow me down when I'm living fast. You make me wanna be with somebody, doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through the hotel lobby. Make the same when I'm on my own. All my friends think I'm with somebody.
I just wanted to tell you guys that what I'm eating right now is like really boring, so I'm sorry. I hope you find it like somewhat inspirational or entertaining in some way. I just have no time to prepare food, so I have to do it the night before. Like right now I'm gonna start preparing my 2 meals for tomorrow. I'm cutting, so I'm really not eating that much, and this is like the peak of my cut. I've been cutting for like 3 months, so I'm doing 25 minutes of cardio per day and then 35 minutes on my rest day, my only cardio day. But I'm feeling lean, like I'm feeling like I've lost a lot of fat since I started this cut. My meals are kind of boring because it's just like the same thing every day. I need to get my protein. Once I get home in June, I'm going to have a lot more like flexibility in terms of preparing meals. I'm gonna have like a lot more time to focus on filming and preparing meals. So it's gonna be a lot less stressful than it is right now. And also just my 4 a.m. mornings are absolutely miserable, to be honest, because it's okay if I can take a nap later, but when I can't take a nap, it's like I'm just starving all morning and then I feel like brain dead by 4 o'clock. I have my lunches for tomorrow. We have 40 grams of corn, can of tuna, and a cup of rice. And then over here, same thing, just ground beef. And then I think I'm gonna add either this, even though I don't like the spicy one, or we're gonna do the G. Hughes honey mustard on the beef. So we will pick and choose one of these. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed, because there will be a lot more coming, and I'm going to try to upload a lot faster and edit faster than I used to, so it'll be pretty quick uploads. And comment down below what your current favorite meal / food is. So we'll see you next time.